In this video, I'll show you how to increase Wi-Fi speed on laptop. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch everything I'm going to show you in this video step by step. Now go to your Windows settings, tap on the network and internet. You're going to see advanced network settings, tap on it. So this is going to load up, tap on the more network adapter options, tap on it. So wait for it to open up. Now left click your mouse. This is going to load up, tap on the properties. This is going to come out, tap on the configure. This is going to come out, tap on the advanced. Scroll down, you're going to see throughout booster, tap on it. Come on here, enable it. Set it to be in the enabled. Come on here, transit power. It should be in the highest. Once you're done, tap on this OK. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Once you have done this, you're going to be able to increase your Wi-Fi speed on your laptop. I'll see you in the next video.